Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to wash both of my family's cars. This one and that one. And for today it's going to be kind of a time-lapse slash review. I'm going to use new products that I haven't used before. Dr.Marcus Shining Car Shampoo. I don't know, never used it before. Going to give it a try. And going to try the Carlson tar remover. And I'll see what happens. As you can see, the car is pretty dirty. Especially in the back, and I'll see how good the shampoo is. And also today is a lot colder, that's why I'm wearing the jacket. And now let's get to the time lapse. As you can see, the car is cleaner. It did the job, and I'm happy about it. Well, at least this side, and the other side, as you can see, it's still dirty, but it's better. It's better, much better. And now let's do the other side, this side. So, the car seems, it's clean. Yeah. There's some kind of debris, but it's okay. At least it's a lot cleaner. Yep, excellent. Perfect. So now I tried to use this tar remover, and it seems to be like a spray, and I tried on this part and it seemed to worked. I'll try this side, this part, and I will show you the results. As you can see, it's a lot better. Here is a bit forward, and this is cleaner than this. So I'd say this works pretty well. So now I've done both sides, and they seem pretty decent in my opinion. The other side was even worse, but yeah. So I think both worked like I wanted to. So just one more time I'm going to show you what I used. So this is the Carlson tar remover. It worked really well, and the shampoo was Dr.Marcus Shiny Car Shampoo. Worked perfectly like I wanted. So I would recommend them. Both were like in total 10 euros. And now I'm going to wash this car. So this is my brother's Skoda. I don't remember what year was this, or is it? And yeah, so now you'll get a time lapse for this. Today is the next day. I forgot to outro the video because my camera battery died, but If you like the video, then smash the like button, and for future content smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.